Okay, good afternoon and Assalamualaikum semua. Baik, hari ini kita akan mempelajari bab 5 iaitu circles. Okay, today we will learn chapter 5 circles. 5.1 is the properties of circles. The clockwise movement of the hand of a clock for a circle as a complete 360 degree rotation. This is called kirkos in Greek, which means to rotate and to become a curve. Baik, dalam bulatan, dalam bahasa Inggeris kita panggil circles, ia adalah sama seperti jam. Jam yang kamu lihat di rumah, pergerakan jam itu sebenarnya pergerakan yang melengkapi iaitu 360 darjah. Pergerakan 360 darjah ini dalam bahasa Greek kita panggil kirkos, yang bermaksud putaran yang menjadi satu lengkungan. Okey, dalam bab ini kita lihat dulu sejarah circles. A circle is a curved pathway, locus of a point that is equidistant from a fixed point. This fixed point is known as the center, and the distance from this fixed point to the pathway is called the radius. A circle is also a curve that is joined with which is known as circumference. A mathematician named Euclid was the first person to study circles. He is also known as the father of geometry due to his research. Baik, bulatan ini maksudnya adalah satu lengkungan yang dilalui oleh satu titik tetap. Okay, titik tetap ini kita panggil sebagai titik tengah. Okay, nanti saya akan tunjukkan kepada kamu nama-nama label-label bagi bulatan ini. Okay, sebelum ni kamu dah belajar, tapi hari ini sebab dah lama cuti, saya nak refreshkan balik, saya nak ingatkan balik kamu apa dia nama-nama bagi bahagian-bahagian pada bulatan. Okay, why study this chapter? We study this chapter because the application of this chapter is in the field of architecture, astronomy, design and astrology. Kamu belajar bab ini kerana dia adalah asas kepada mereka-mereka kamu yang ingin bercita-cita, ingin menjadi seorang arkitek, seorang ahli astronomi, seorang pereka dan juga astrologi. Baik, kita lihat kepada properties of circle. Properties of circle maksudnya ciri-ciri bulatan. Kita nak tahu bahagian-bahagian pada bulatan. Okay, seperti yang as you look at on the screen, okay, there are around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 parts of circle. There are 8 parts of circles. Okay, terdapat 8 bahagian bulatan. Number 1 is radius. Number 1 is radius. Radius, what is radius? Radius, a straight line from the center of the circle to any point on the circumstances. Okay, radius ini adalah satu garisan lurus yang daripada titik ke bulatan. Okay, ini bulatan. Kamu tengok titik tu warna hitam. Radius ni yang berwarna biru ni. Okay, ini adalah garisan lurus yang kita panggil sebagai radius. Kemudian number 2, number 2, the properties of circles. Circumference. Okay, circumference ni maksudnya lilitan. For every circle, they have circumference. What is circumference? Circumference is perimeter of the circle. Circumference ni adalah perimeter ataupun lilitan bagi bulatan. And number 3 is center. Okay, as you can see over here, there is a black dot. This we call center. Center is pusat. Center ni adalah titik di tengah-tengah bulatan. Satu titik tetap yang mana kesemua titik lilitan adalah sama jarak dengan titik tengah ni. Okay, number 4. Number 4 parts of circle we call as segment. Okay, segment. There are 2 types of segment. First segment we call is minor segment. Segmen yang kecil warna merah ni kita panggil sebagai segment minor. Manakala yang warna putih ni kita panggil sebagai major segment. Minor segment means small segment, while the white segment we call major segment. The region enclosed by a chord and the arc. Okay, segmen ini adalah bahagian yang tertutup oleh chord dan juga lengkungan. Okay, number 5 is sector. Okay, there are two types of sector, minor sectors and major sector. What is sector? Sector is the region enclosed by two radii and an arc. Okay, sektor ni adalah kawasan yang tertutup, okay, yang dikelilingi oleh radius. Okay, dia ada dua jenis sektor. There are two types of sector, minor sector and major sector. Minor sector is a small area. As you can see on the screen, the red color is a minor sector. The white color is a major sector. And number 6 is the arc. Arc is having two types of arc, minor arc and major arc. Minor arc is a smaller area, while the major arc is the larger area. Okay, arc part of circumference. And number 7 we call is as a chord. Okay, C-H-O-R-D, chord. A chord is a straight line that joins any 2 points on the circumference. Chord ini adalah satu garisan lurus yang menyambungkan mana-mana titik pada lilitan. Okay, last but not least, number 8, diameter. What is diameter? Diameter is a straight line that touches the circumference through the center of the circle. Diameter ini adalah satu garisan lurus yang menyentuh lilitan melalui titik tengah ataupun center bulatan. Okay, dia mesti melalui titik tengah ni baru dia panggil, kita panggil dia diameter. If the line is not touches the center, we call it as a chord. Okay, kalau dia tak sentuh titik tengah ni, garisan tu, dia kita panggil sebagai chord. Okay, let's see the example 1. Identifying the following part of the circles. Okay, can I ask you the name of this part? Okay, Chong Kai Zhang, what is the name for a straight line label A?
Chord.
Chord, eh? So the straight line over here, the label A over here, we call is a chord. Thank you, Chong Kai Zhang. Okay, B. Priya, what is the name for the straight line of the B?
Diameter.
Diameter. Very good, Priya. Okay, the straight line that touches the center, we call it as diameter. And C, the line that labeled as a C, anyone?
Radius.
Yeah?
Radius.
Okay, very good. Yeah, C is a radius. And E, what is the area that we call for the E?
Sector.
Sector. Thank you, Teva. E is a sector. And we F, F, the final one. F, arc. Okay. Now you all know the name for the part of the circles. Okay, there are 8 parts for the circles. Terdapat 8 bahagian untuk circles yang kamu kena tahu, iaitu radius, circumference, center, segment, sector, arc, chord, and diameter. Okay, so there are 8 parts. So let's look at the examples. Let's look at the exercise. I want you to do it in your exercise book. Do you have your exercise book? I think you have already do this before we holiday, but it's okay. We can do another. We can try this together. Okay, self-practice 5.1. Name the following parts. Point A. What we call the point A? Okay, one.
Center of circle.
Center of the circle. Very good, Teva. Okay, center of the circle. Okay, 1, 2 Roman, line AOC. 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 What we call
Diagram, very good.
Yeah?
Diameter.
Diameter. Very good, Vaishnavi. All right, let's look at dector. There is no dector. This is a mistake. Sector, not dector. Sector AOB. Yes. What we call this?
Minor sector.
Minor sector. Very good, Priya. We have two types of sector, minor and major. The minor sector is a small region, while the major sector is a bigger region. Okay, line OA.
Radius.
Yeah, very good. Radius. All right. Arc AB. What we call is arc AB.
Minor arc.
Yeah, very good. Okay. Outlier, art. And then line BC.
Chord.
Chord, very good, Priya. The shaded area of BCD.
Minor segment.
Minor segment.
Minor segment. Segment or sector?
Segment.
Segment. Segment. So the difference with the sector is the segment is not touches the center of the circle. All right. So you all have know the part of the circles. So I think that's all for today. Please do your exercise book, the red book, okay, chapter 5. If you have done it, we will see again on Thursday. Okay, thank you, class.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thanks a lot,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,
Terima
sir.
kasih, cukup.
Thank you, sir.